Surge in Bitcoin prices sparks speculation. Can it break the $44,000 barrier? In the dynamic landscape of digital currencies, Bitcoin has witnessed an extraordinary surge in value this year, doubling in a span of 11 months. The cryptocurrency has soared by approximately 130%, reversing the sharp sell-off experienced in 2022 and outshining traditional investment avenues like stocks and gold. As we approach the end of 2023, the prospect of Bitcoin surpassing the $44,000 threshold has become a focal point for crypto enthusiasts. The world's leading digital currency has notched up a substantial price increase, more than doubling since the commencement of the year. The upward trajectory of Bitcoin prices remains resilient even amidst the United States' concerted effort to scrutinize the crypto industry. This initiative has resulted in prominent figures such as Sam Bankman-Fried facing incarceration for fraudulent activities at the FTX crypto exchange, while Binance founder Changpeng Zhao has admitted to lapses in anti-money laundering responsibilities. For the optimists, the vigorous regulatory actions by the United States and the anticipation of the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, signify the evolution of the crypto sector and the potential for broader adoption. To hit the $44,000 mark, the establishment of Bitcoin ETFs is crucial, remarked Fiona Cincotta, a senior analyst at Citi Index, in an interview with Bloomberg. However, the recent surge in Bitcoin values has exhibited some waning momentum, partly attributed to the stock market's recovery and fluctuations in currency exchange rates. Despite these challenges, industry insiders remain optimistic about Bitcoin's prospects. According to data from CoinMarketCap.com at the time of writing, 1800 on December 1st, Vietnam time, Bitcoin is priced at $38,558, marking a nearly 2.4% increase over the past 24 hours and a 2.4% increase over the past week. In the previous month, MicroStrategy Incorporated, a publicly listed company holding a substantial amount of Bitcoin, invested an additional $593 million in Bitcoin, elevating its total holdings to $6.05 billion. Earlier this week, Michael Novogratz, the founder of Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, predicted that Bitcoin could re-establish its record-breaking $69,000 level within the next year. Bloomberg forecasts a series of applications for Bitcoin ETFs to be approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, from now until January 2024. Any alterations in the Federal Reserve's interest rate expectations or unforeseen changes related to the approval of Bitcoin ETFs could potentially reverse Bitcoin's current trajectory. Nevertheless, at present, the sentiment among crypto investors remains optimistic. Notably, the Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, a measure of momentum, closed at over 75 points last week, signaling a potentially overbought condition. However, the situation is not necessarily straightforward. Over the past decade, Bitcoin prices have, on average, increased by 15% within a month after the weekly RSI surpassed 75 points. With such momentum, surpassing the $44,000 mark could be well within reach for Bitcoin. I genuinely believe there's a good chance for Bitcoin to exceed $44,000, perhaps as an announcement allowing the opening of Bitcoin ETFs or due to heightened risk appetite towards the end of the year, noted Tony Sycamore, an analyst at IG Australia Thai.